My name is Lily, and I live in a small town. Every month of the year brings something special. In January, I celebrate the New Year. I listen to music on a CD or watch a movie on DVD with my family. In February, we make heart-shaped cards. March is the start of spring. In April, we plant flowers. In May, the sun shines bright, and I wear my favorite t-shirt. In June, school ends. July and August are for holidays. I go to the beach with my friends. We take lots of photos and share them on the internet. September means back to school. I study every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. On Thursday and Friday, we have music and sports. The weekend starts on Saturday. I relax on Sunday. In October, the leaves turn orange and brown. In November, we cook warm soup. December is for lights and gifts. One day, my teacher gave us a list of English terms. We played a game called True or False. We had to guess the meanings of words. Everyone said okay and started to play. It was fun. I remember when I was in the airport going on a trip. I had my backpack, passport, and a bottle of water. The bus took us to the hotel. It was near a bank and a post office. In the city centre, I saw a big cathedral and a wide bridge. People were walking, taking photos with their camera. Some children played in a park. There was a fountain and birds flew over it. I bought a map and visited a museum. Inside, I saw old paintings, coins, and tools. I wrote about them in my notebook. Every evening, I watched the TV or read a book. Sometimes I listened to music on the radio. My bedroom was small but cozy. There was a lamp, a desk, and a soft pillow. At school, we had classes in math, science, and English. I learned how to describe people. For example, my teacher has curly hair and wears glasses. My best friend is clever and funny. We sit together and help each other. During lunch, I eat in the cafeteria. My favorite food is chicken with rice and vegetables. Sometimes I drink orange juice or water. I don't like soda much. On special days, we eat cake and ice cream. At the supermarket, I help my parents. We buy milk, eggs, bread, and cheese. We also buy fruit like apples, bananas, and oranges. On the way home, we stop at the pharmacy to get some medicine.